The battle for free speech in Maharashtra has ignited yet another storm, this time pitting filmmaker Hansal Mehta against actor-turned-MP Kangana Ranaut in a war of words that has turned deeply personal. The controversy erupted following the crackdown on stand-up comic Kunal Kamra, whose jokes about Shiv Sena leader and Maharashtra Deputy CM Eknath Shinde have sparked outrage, vandalism and legal action. When the past clashes with the present, Hansal Mehta, known for his acclaimed films like Shahid and Scam 1992, took to social media to decry the attack on Kamra, calling it yet another example of Maharashtra's long history of suppressing dissent. He recalled his own horrifying experience from 25 years ago when political loyalists stormed into his office, vandalized it, blackened his face and publicly humiliated him over a trivial movie dialogue. But the conversation soon took a dramatic turn. A user questioned Mehta's silence over the infamous 2020 demolition of Kangana Ranaut's Mumbai office by the BMC under the then Uddhav Thackeray-led government. Mehta clapped back. Was her house vandalized? Did goons enter her premises? Did they do this to challenge her freedom of expression or for alleged FSI violations? Please enlighten me, maybe I don't know the facts. Kangana hits back and it gets personal. Kangana never won to hold back, responded with fierce rebuttal. She detailed her experience of being called haramkhor, receiving late night notices and waking up to bulldozers tearing down her office, all before the courts even opened. She reminded everyone that the Bombay High Court later ruled the demolition illegal, but by then her humiliation had already been publicly celebrated. Then came the real explosion, a brutal personal attack on Mehta. It seems your insecurity and mediocrity has not only made you bitter and stupid, but it has blinded you as well. It's not some third-class series or atrocious films that you make. Don't try to sell your dumb lies and agendas here in the matters related to my audience. Stay out of it. Mehta, unfazed, delivered a cold-cutting one-liner. Get well soon. Parallel battles, selective outrage. The online feud has reignited a fierce debate. Is the current crackdown on Kunal Kamra a replay of what happened to Kangana in 2020, or is this just political whataboutism? Ranaut has drawn a clear line between the two incidents, claiming that what happened to her was illegal, while the action against Kamra's studio is legitimate. She also criticized Kamra's joke, arguing that mocking a leader's humble background was unacceptable. But Mehta and many others see a pattern of intimidation and suppression. No matter which government is in power, his words resonate deeply. No matter how deep the disagreement, no matter how sharp the provocation, violence, intimidation and humiliation can never be justified. We owe ourselves and each other better. This war of words is more than just a clash between two former collaborators. It's a larger battle over free speech, political allegiance and selective outrage. If Kangana's demolition was an assault on her voice, is Kunal Kamra's case any different? Or is Maharashtra simply repeating its history just with different players in power?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.